Hello traders, in this video we are going to be looking at how to read and interpret holo candlestick charts. All right, now holo candlestick charts are a visual alternative to traditional candlestick charts. They make it easier to identify price trends and momentum. The first step is to understand holo candles. All right, now when trying to interpret a holo candle, you should know that if the close price is above, or rather is greater than the open price, it is a bullish candle. All right. And if the close price is less than the open price, it's a bearish candle. Okay, so I just downloaded the holo candlesticks indicator so that I can explain better. All right, so now, as you can even see from the properties, holo green is when the close price is greater than the open price, right? So that's a bullish pattern. And of course, when the close price is less than the open, we are looking out for a bearish pattern. Anyways, let's just get back to the chart. All right, without further ado, you should understand how the holo candles function. Okay, upper and lower shadows shows highs and lows within the time frames, right? Longer shadows may indicate rejection or volatility, just like how you know with traditional candles, right? Short shadows indicate strong momentum in the candle direction. Then you should also identify your patterns. Holo candlestick charts make trends and patterns easier to spot. When you have consecutive holo candles, it might mean a strong bullish move, right? When you have consecutive filled candles, it could be a strong bearish trend, right? So you would see that the holo candles are showing you the bullish move, and then you can see the solid when the C is less than the O, that is the close is less than the open, you have a solid red, right? So you will notice that the consecutive filled candles show strong bearish move. Then when you have alternating patterns, the holo and filled, is showing market indecision. Now you can combine this with other analysis, right? You can use holo candlestick charts alongside support and resistance levels, of course, even trend lines and indicators. Okay, so basically just do your analysis as you are used to. All right, use your technical tools like your lines, your moving averages, and the rest of them. Okay, so this combination helps to confirm trade setups. All right, now to read holo candlestick charts, a quick recap for you. Holo is equal to bullish, filled is equal to bearish. You should observe the upper and lower shadows. All right, spot your trends and reversals, and then combine with other analysis tools. Holo charts simplify trend recognition and price action analysis. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.